we must first obtain Tomato Bird.
Who? 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 Where are you from that you see celebrities? Shit. Wait. Hey, yo, I'm like right near. You want IRL? For real? Yeah, I'm like probably like an hour away at most. Hawaii, what? Wait, what the fuck? I thought he said LA. Oh shit, dude. Yeah. I thought he said LA, dude. Nah, don't worry, I'll take my Pidgey over there. This is true. They do hate. Oh my gosh, I need Moltres! What the fuck? I just started! 136 resets! Holy shit, I knew this would be quick too. Oh my god. Alright, guys. What the fuck ever. Alright, wait, who's all in the call? Alright, shout out to Member Delivery, Mr. Who? Mr. Eric XP, Novus Deoxys, who else? Shiny Hunter Will? Charizard Fever. Is that it? Alright. So, Charizard Fever guesses Adamant, Mr. Eric XP guesses Hasty, Memo Delivery guesses Quiet, Freakin' Snoopy guesses Rash, Shiny Hunter Will guesses Mild, Fire, Lemon Bird, Whale, 1, 2, 3, Firewell guesses Naive, I guess Hasty. Holy shit. Yeah, fuck that. Oh my god, you've got to be fucking kidding me. Memo Delivery guesses Shiny Hunter Will is a faggot and he said he likes men a lot. Best possible nature, yeah. Holy crap though, that was only 136. Go ahead, call wall hacks all you want. I have got myself the Tomato Bird. Holy shit. 2 in 1 day. Alright, hold up guys, I'll be right back. Alright, anyways, listen, I just got another shiny. I got a Moltres after 136. I had a feeling I would get this right now, honestly, even though it's such a quick one. Alright, so Naive Dragonite, Sassy Primate, Serious Doduo, Careful Staryu, Docile, shiny Parasect. And there it is, shiny Moltres, Tomato Bird. It is bold. I don't think anybody can just go right through the messages. Yeah, nobody guessed bold, but holy crap, that is so quick. This is on my Fire Red number 2. Regular Spearow. Shiny Moltres. How the fuck even? 136 resets quad hunting. Like, hold up. That's only 34 resets on this game. Like, I haven't even been hunting for a half hour. What the fuck? This is the one recording I've had for this hunt. Holy shit, my mind is blown right now. Alright, regular, hold up. Alright, regular Geodude. Shiny Moltres, everyone. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.